we go again, the day after Thanksgiving here in the US, and we roll straight into Christmas cookies. Many of you have probably already seen my recipe for my famous bakery Italian Butter Spritz Cookies. It's the same recipe I used when I had my bakery. We would package up hundreds and hundreds of pounds of these little assorted cookies from November through December, but today I wanted to include the chocolate version too. This way you can see how easy it is to make dozens of different cookies all from one dough recipe. So let's get right to it. It's a basic creaming method for the dough, and I've already got my vegan butter and sugar creaming on high speed in my mixer, and I am simply using flax meal combined with aquafaba for the egg replacer, a spot of vanilla, and then of course we've got the standard flour, salt, and baking powder. That's all you need. Well, for the vanilla version, that is. For the chocolate dough, it's a simple addition of cocoa powder in place of some of the flour, and I like to add a teaspoon or two of instant coffee granules to my chocolate dough, but I know many of you don't like using coffee, so don't worry, I write the full instructions for you with substitutions for ingredients and all the notes for success on all of my recipes, so everyone, no matter who you are and where you live, will get no-fail results with my recipes every time. Not to mention, I'm just an email away for support if you have any baking questions. So be sure to subscribe here to my channel and join me on all my social pages too. As usual, the printable recipe on my website at gretchensveganbakery.com. Just click the links below this video to go grab everything that you need. I also include links to the tools that I'm using, and for this recipe I simply use a pastry bag with a couple of tips to make the spritz. Here I'm just using a Tico tips number 824 and 866, but you can really make any shapes and sizes that you like with this dough. This dough works great in a cookie press too. Now, no Italian Butter Spritz cookie is complete without those horrible glacéd cherries. Yikes, what an abomination! But I'll be honest, they were in fact one of my favorites in the mix, a guilty pleasure for sure. So cherry them up or don't, sprinkle them up too, and then once they're baked you can dip them in chocolate or even fill them up with silky ganache for a sandwich style cookie too. So pretty for Hanukkah. So as you see, these cookies really are great for all year round, not just the holidays. And they're so easy to make and so good too. Everyone is going to ask you from which bakery you bought them. So go ahead and grab the recipe at gretchensveganbakery.com and let the festivities begin. We are knee deep in the holiday baking season now, guys. So you are going to want to be sure you are subscribed here to my channel so you don't miss a thing. Thanks so much to everyone for watching, liking, and commenting on my videos, and a great big special thank you, as always, to my patrons in Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the continued support. If you think you can help to keep me buying ingredients to test and create and share all of my recipes for free for as little as a cup of coffee a month, click the links below to find out how. All right, everyone, until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.